Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video, I will explain how to change Facebook password. So let's move to our process. Open your Facebook app. After it opens, simply tap on your profile icon, scroll it down, and tap on the last option Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on the option Privacy Shortcuts. Now scroll it down, and here is the option Change your password. Tap on this one, right here, your current password. After writing your current password, type here your new password. After writing your new password, also write the confirmation password, and tap on the option Save Changes. If you want to log out from the other devices, then simply tap all the other devices. But if you want to stay logged in, tap on the second option and tap on the option Continue. So as you see, by this way, you can change your Facebook password easily. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.